Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to look at volume 2 of the Tamiya tune-up set for the mini 4-wheel drive cars. On the bottom right, you can see that these parts are primarily for the ThunderShot and the BigWig. So we're going to get these two cars out later and put on these tune-up parts onto the cars and see how they look like. In this kit, we have the wheel hub set, the wing and turbo set, and the rear roller and step set. Alright, here are the parts out of the box. On the left, we have the wheel hub set. And in the middle, we have the wing and turbo set. So this is the wing for the ThunderShot, the front bumper, and the side struts. And this one is the rear roller and stabilization set. And we also have a sticker. So this is the Japan Cup 1990. And it has Fujitsu as the sponsor, I believe. It's pretty cool. Well, here's the close-up of the wing and turbo set. It's interesting to note that the instructions inside use the Falcon Junior as illustration. Since I'm going to use these parts for the ThunderShot, I will have to refer to the photo here on the box instead. And these are the instructions for the rear roller and step set. All the parts come together easily and it looks great. Now for the mini 4WD cars that these tune-up parts are for, I do have the ThunderShot car. This is the ThunderShot that I have. It has been converted to radio control, and I featured this messing around with the RC T-Rex in the living room. Yep, so I'm going to use this. As for the other car, which is the BigWig, I do not have it. So it's time to do some shopping. Let's head down to town and grab a BigWig. Ta-da! Here's my BigWig and it's all done up. I've painted the driver inside. Look at it. That's the front view. I've also painted the yellow parts of the car here and also here. And the back as well for the shocks. I've done up the front shocks as well. You can see the silver paint. And by the way, this has been converted to radio control. You can see the front servo, which is for steering, and it's all-wheel drive. Right now we have the tune-up parts installed onto the two cars. On the left we have the BigWig, and now the BigWig has the rear roller and step set. It's looking nice on the car. On the right we have the ThunderShot. ThunderShot has a series of upgrades now. It has a white bumper here with white rollers. It also has the side wings. And for the wing, I make a special modification. Instead of fixing it onto the car with super glue, I use magnets. So there are screws here, and there are new magnets installed under the body shell, so I can just snap on the wing as such. It's not going anywhere. Alright, let's take these cars out for a spin.